Alright, so Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kalinga Rafidra Sonokusnaji. You can call me Carl. I am from 11th grade of TMM, and today I'm gonna tell you about some Islamic stories. So, the one that I'm gonna tell you is about a thirsty dog with a man. So, long time ago, Rasulullah SAW tell a story to his companion, or what is it called, sahabat. Once upon a time, there's a dude that's having a very long journey, like very long, and then in the middle of the journey he start feeling thirsty, so he start walking around to find some waters, wells, and then oases, and then other stuff, and then eventually he found one. So he went down there and then start drinking the water with his boots, and then after feeling enough, so he got back up and then start walking again, and then until eventually he found a stray dog that's licking the ground. So when Datu see that, Datu thinking like that dog was probably also thirsty. So he went back to the wells and then grabbed some water with his boot, and then grab it in his mouth, and then coming back again to give to the dog. After give the water to the dog, that dude start the journey again, the travels again. After a while, Rasulullah said that man or that dude is dead because of the journey, because the dangerous landscape, the stupid amount of heat, and then thirsty. Maybe he's thirsty again. So basically, he died. And then because of helping that dog, that Allah forgive all of that dude's sin. So, and then after hearing that stories, the other sahabat asking Rasulullah, if we give food and then drinks to our sheep and cows, will we also get pahala? And Rasulullah SAW answered with, for everything that you give to other creatures, not only human, maybe trees or animals, it will also get pahala. So in the end, you just need to do good things not do to your surrounding, not only just human, to other Allah's creation also. So, and then because of that, the surroundings will also give you something good, or maybe, yeah, you know what I'm saying. So maybe that's all from me. Maybe you get what I mean. I'm sorry if I can spell something. I'm sorry if I spell something wrong. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.